Welcome back to my channel. Today we're putting on a, what is it?
H-pipe.
It's an H-pipe on his exhaust or car. It's awkward. But I guess you have to take off the battery, so we already took that off, and now I'm about to take off the O2 sensors and go from there. Super easy, but yeah, goodbye. Oh, I got some movement.
Yeah, I told you it was getting loose. Where's the extension?
No, see no cuts. Let me try again.
Since it's already attached. That ain't a good sign.
Huh?
That ain't a good sign. Try the other one. The other bolt. Oh, well, here. Now we have the ratchet. So.
Oh, yes. It's so hot. Are you filming that?
Oh.
We need to figure out how to get this out. Get the ratchet. It's under there too. Gross. Gross. Right here? Yeah. God, this thing's in my hand. Alright, so we're going to Lowe's because Ford Performance is a fucking idiot. Yes, I'm calling you out. You put the nut on crooked, so we couldn't get a nut out. So we have to get new bolts. Here's a good bolt. But yeah, that's what we're doing. And I cut my hand, my thumb, everything. Fuck it. Whatever. I don't know. We just left Lowe's. We got a couple different sizes of nuts and bolts.
Bro.
Yeah, that was for the other one.
Oh, okay. Whew. This one was for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, bad.
Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted,
My bad.
we just got some nuts and bolts. Hopefully it fucking works. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna go myself, you know? Alright, we just got back. We just gotta take off, what, that last O2 sensor?
Yeah.
And then after that, we just put everything back on. I think the hardest part now is gonna be clipping the O2 sensor for the header back up. Oh,
I have bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
If you ever have problems with O2 sensor, go to O'Reilly and spend $14 on one of these thingies. It's the best tool ever. It's an O2 sensor like bongle thingy, and it just comes right off. It's kind of it's great, but yeah, that's about it.
Oh, that was way easier than I thought.
I'm gonna get it out completely.
Oh, otherwise it'll cause contamination.
No. You don't want it in the way. Are you? Yeah, okay, so we kind of ran into a problem. Not a big problem. So this car has 3 O2 sensors, and this exhaust only has a hole for the top part one. So we're just gonna put that one in and hope for the best.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a check engine light regardless, but
that's alright.
Other than that, it's an easy tune out, so yeah. Breathing my ear when Yeah, so we went and put the right side on. We just need to put the O2 sensor. We just need to connect it up top, which is probably gonna be a biatch. But anyways, now we just have to put this side in, which is super easy because this side didn't give us any complications during the install. So yeah, that's about it. Hear it, but we're going to Sonic, and this thing is ridiculous. I thought my car was loud, but it doesn't even compare to this. My car sounds soft compared to his. But we'll see. I give it a couple days before we put the stock back on, because that's too loud. But yeah, there we go. Alright, so that's the end of this vlog because I can't hear anything anymore, so I think it sounds good. It's just way too loud, in my opinion. I give it a couple weeks before I have to put the stock one back on. But I would think that he would need mufflers because it's a full straight pipe, and I thought my car was loud, but his is ridiculous. But that's it for this video. I don't even know what else to say. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Goodbye.